corners of Kenya. We are suffering because of bad leadership. We have no option but to confront the elephant in the room, which is bad leadership. And one way of doing so is holding our leaders to account. And to Ruto and his regime, remember, it is all about Kenyans, not about yourself. Stop getting angry and calling us names. Listen to what Kenyans are saying. Serve Kenyans, not Bill Gates, not other foreigners. Serve Kenyans and observe the Constitution. Stop abducting Kenyans and abducting foreigners like Besigye.